In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today, I'll show you how to record sales in Google Sheets on desktop. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable worksheet that totals each sale and gives you a clear picture of your revenue. Start by opening your Google Sheet on your desktop. Make sure you're signed in and your internet connection is stable so everything saves automatically as you work. If you're starting fresh, an empty sheet is perfect. At the top row, create your headers. You'll want 5 columns labeled Date, Item, Quantity Sold, Unit Price, and Total Sale. Keeping your headers clear and consistent makes it easier to read and sort later. If you like, you can format the Date column to a date format, so entries are consistent, and format Unit Price and Total Sale as currency, so values are easier to scan at a glance. Now, enter your sales data in each column. In the Date column, type the date of the sale. In Item, add the product name or identifier. In Quantity Sold, enter the number of units sold as a plain number. In Unit Price, enter the price per unit, again as a number, not text. Avoid typing currency symbols directly if you've already set the cell format to currency, as that format will handle the display for you. Accurate entry here ensures your totals will be correct. Next, let's calculate the total for each row. Click the first cell in the Total Sale column that lines up with your data, typically E2 if your headers are in row 1. Type the formula equals C2D2. This multiplies quantity sold by unit price to get the total for that sale. Press Enter to confirm. You should see the correct total appear. To apply this to all your sales entries, use the fill handle. With the formula cell selected, hover over the small square at the bottom right corner until your cursor changes, then click and drag down to cover all rows with data. Each row will automatically use its own quantity and unit price. If you have a long list, you can double-click that handle to fill down quickly. Optionally, you can calculate total revenue at the bottom of the Total Sale column. Click the cell just below your last total and type a sum formula. For example, sum E2 E20. Adjusting the last row number to match your data. Press Enter and you'll see your total revenue. And that's how you record sales in Google Sheets on desktop. Set up clear headers, enter your data carefully, calculate totals with a simple formula, and summarize with sum for a quick revenue snapshot.